I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the essentials. Make sure your phone has the latest OS and any pending carrier settings installed, because outdated software often breaks focus logic. Once done, open settings and confirm a Do Not Disturb or Focus profile exists and is turned on. Creating a fresh profile can clear hidden conflicts. Also disconnect Bluetooth and CarPlay briefly so you can rule out external devices forwarding calls or notifications. These commonly override your local Do Not Disturb state. Now dive into the middle work. Review allowed notifications, people, apps, and repeated calls, because a single exception will let alerts through. Disable any time-based schedules or automations to test manual behavior, and make sure sleep or bedtime settings aren't layered on top. Next, verify focus syncing across your signed-in devices. Shared focus can re-enable notifications from a laptop or tablet. If you use work profiles or managed device policies, inspect those settings since they can forcibly change Do Not Disturb rules. Finish by toggling Do Not Disturb off and on, then reboot. This clears transient service hangs. Test with a caller or app notification while watching the lock screen to confirm behavior. If it still fails, reset network or privacy settings to clear corruption in notification delivery, and check for profiles or MDM restrictions. As a final troubleshooting tip, backup and factory reset only after exhausting steps, and contact the device maker or carrier if hardware-level call routing or firmware bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.